This is just the first step of how to make your first $10,000. You got to have a setup that you know is going to happen every week, every month that you have experience in. Back when I was posting videos maybe 3-4 years ago, like fitness videos, like those were my first like more viral video. And as you can see this email. You can't get comfortable. I don't care how successful you are. I don't care if you're a millionaire. I don't care if you made $100,000 last month, $100,000 yesterday. Good morning. Welcome back. Right now I'm about to do this. This is not the phone, but right now it is approximately 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, we're about to go get some food. You can't really see it, but it's 1 o'clock. It's too bright of a screen. And so far, I don't really know what the plan of action is as of right now. I gotta take my girlfriend to work at 3. Then after 3, I gotta come back. That's when we're gonna hit the gym. I gotta do another VIP session tonight. So we had one yesterday. If you watched yesterday's video, you know we had that mindset session. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, make sure you go tap in. I only added maybe like 2-3 minutes of like the footage from yesterday from VIP. So if you want all of it, you gotta join the team. But I'll make sure I add more of it in today's video also from the trading session. We're gonna be talking about all charts, all concepts, trading, all this stuff when it comes to actual price action, when it comes to the actual skill set of being able to read the charts. Risk management is important and necessary. Emotional control is necessary. But when it comes to the actual skill itself of being able to read the market, being able to read the candlesticks and know what's going to happen and know where the reaction points and why, and be able to have a reasoning behind it and have a process behind it, that's when it comes down to the actual trading itself, the skill set of trading. And that's what we're going to be going over. I'm not sure exactly what topics we're going to go talk about. More than likely, we'll just talk about the same things: liquidity, understanding the reaction points, when it's going to happen, and just getting confidence in it, because it's easy for me to say all these things, but getting confidence in the system, get confidence in seeing it happen. Luna, what you doing, dog? Those like reaction points, essentially, and knowing what it's going to do. It just all comes from experience, and I can't teach experience. It's just something that takes time. Just over time, doing the concepts, using the concepts, you get better at seeing it, you get better at taking it, you have more confidence, and you're more willing to do all those different things versus someone that's never seen it before. You got to see it to believe it. Same thing with your dreams. If you want to have that apartment, you got to see it, you got to touch it. Same thing with the car. You got to see it, you got to touch it, you got to do something so you believe it. Same thing with the types of setups you're taking in the market. Until you have experience taking that same setup multiple times, like more than one occasion, you're not going to have that same confidence compared to someone like me that's done it 100 times, that same exact setup. That's what it really comes to a lot of the time. But about to finish this up. I'm about to get some food. All right, we just got some food, and me and my girl, I was just telling her, I'm like, bro, I'm starting to get to the point now where I can actually just go get food, like go out to restaurants, like nicer restaurants in nicer parts of the area, like downtown. Like as you guys seen, like the last couple of days, we always go to nicer places as of recently. It wasn't always like that. Trust me, I was a Wendy's 444 maniac. Trust me, I was a Wawa, Waffle House. Speaking of Waffle House is over there. Waffle House maniac. So now the fact that I can go to nicer restaurants, American Social, I just went to a restaurant, it's called Yard House, and it wasn't even that expensive, but compared to what I used to be able to spend on food to what I can now, like what limitations I had, the restrictions I have when it comes to food is not as much as it used to, and it's amazing, and it's amazing to see hard work pay off and to see fruits of our labor. And even then, I still don't like going out to eat like that because I just like to save as much money as possible. I like to go out to nice places. I just don't like the spending money of it. You know what I mean? I like to go to nice apartments. I want to be in nice cars. Do I really want to pay for it? Not really, but that's the price you got to pay. Everything has a price. You got to be willing to pay the price for the things that you want. It's as simple as that. Got to get a car wash. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I feel like I get a car wash every week, but fuck it, I guess. At least I can get my car washed every week. I remember times I couldn't get my car washed and my car was just getting dookied on. Yo, bro, line me up. Let me know how close I can get, big dog. I need to see. Yo, big dog. Yo, big dog. After this, gonna go and get some gas in my car. Then we're gonna head to the gym. I wanted to get my car washed and everything real quick just because I had to get gas. And I didn't feel comfortable going to that gas station knowing how dirty my fucking car was. So we gotta get this shit cleaned, and then we're gonna head to the gym. Then we can continue with the work. But now I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy this car wash in peace, and enjoy my last few minutes of relaxation before my workday begins. And now for the first part of my gym workout to start, because bro, y'all don't understand how hot it is. It's like 100 degrees outside right now, and I'm in sweatpants and a black tee. It's about to be hot as shit, cleaning the outside of this car, while drying it off and then cleaning the inside. This is the beginning of the workout. Here, then straight to the gym. I'll show you guys the car when we're done. Made it. You probably heard that. My back right now feels crazy, but I just got done cleaning the car and everything, as you guys seen, bro. I'm hot as shit. Matter of fact, I'm taking this shirt off. I got a tank top. Thank God. I hate not having a tank top when I try to record because I won't have nothing to hold the microphone, but I got my tank top, so we good. Take this shit off. Oh, that feels so much better. And I got water. It's about to be a good workout, about to go hard. How you do one thing is how you do everything. I may sound like a jukebox on repeat, but bro, it's the universal concept of life. The same things I tell VIP a lot of the time are the same things I tell you guys here. They just get it on a more constant basis, more consistent basis. But I stretch myself out, get myself ready, and we're gonna hit a good full body workout, you know what I'm saying? Another day, another dollar. Nothing happens overnight, it just takes a lot of time. I remember back when I was posting videos maybe 3-4 years ago, like fitness videos, like those were my first like more viral video. I wouldn't say viral, my first like 10,000 views on a video and like ever on anything was on Instagram with Instagram Reels. Before my YouTube channel took off a couple months ago, the only like engagement, the only following I ever had was really on Instagram. And like the most views I got on a video was like 10,000 views, maybe like 2-3 years ago, maybe even 4 years ago. And all it was like a 10-second little before and after video from like when I was 14 years old and used to work out to when I was like 20 years old, or not even, to when I was like 18 or 19 years old. Shit takes time. Like I remember at that point, I thought I was in the best shape ever. I lost it all, because if you're not consistent with anything, you lose it. Like that good shape that I thought I was in, that was like gonna be able to continue making good viral videos with like before and afters, continuing to be able to see results. Once I stopped going to the gym, once I started eating correctly, once I started getting enough protein, gaining weight, I lost it all. And look where we are now, starting all the way back over. But this time, I ain't gonna lose it this time. Everything happens for a reason. That's the main thing you gotta understand. All losses aren't losses, they're lessons. It's all about perspective. If you take a loss, all it's doing is teaching you what not to do next time or what to do next time. You gotta look at it like that. If you dwell on the loss, like, damn, I shouldn't have did that. I wish that didn't happen. Damn, my life sucks. I wish that didn't happen. There's no positive in that. You gotta look at the bright side of everything. I don't care how bad it looks. Even if someone fucking dies, bro, as horrible as that sounds, you gotta look at the benefit. Maybe they weren't happy. Maybe they're better there than being alive because it was painful. You got to look at the positive in everything. I don't care how horrible the situation is, be optimistic. That's going to help you in life, especially in trading when a lot of like situations are just in your mind. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know if it's going to hit stop loss, hit TP, if it's going to stop break even, if you're going to get volume or not. It's all in your head. You don't know. So stop getting in your head. Stop overthinking. And let me stop yapping and get to this workout.
In my short 25 years on this planet, I've been able to make more than $20 million online. I've been able to sustain healthy relationships. I've got tons of great friendships. I've got a fantastic team of people that work with me and for. And then once we're at the surface here, so right now, and if you're down here somewhere, if you've got mental health problems, or you're not going to fix those, and you're not going to improve.
All right, I just did my payout with hankotrade. As you guys know, Friday we did have a banger trade. We ended the week off making about $519. And we just did everything. I got to verify my request. So every time you do a payout, hankotrade, after you do it, they send you an email to basically verify that this was you, just to make sure that nobody's hacking your ass and stealing your money. But I'm just gonna verify it, and then it should say, send me an email saying it's gonna be approved. I'm doing it now because now it's Sunday, the market's about to open, everything's starting to go into that business time schedule. So there we go. As you can see, it was verified and everything. Verified, and if I go back to my email, they should have sent me an email. Yeah, so we got to withdraw a request. Now we just got to wait for the email saying it's actually going to get approved, and then we in the money. This is the whole point of trading, and we trade to be able to make money, to withdraw the money. I'm not trading just to have it in my account sitting there for no reason. Fuck that. I want my money now. I got bills. I'm trying to buy a car. I'm trying to get an apartment. I got goals. I got things I want. I need my money now. One thing I want to also tell you guys while I'm sitting here, I'm just listening to a podcast. Not even a podcast. This is a YouTube video, but honestly, a podcast is just a long form video format, audio format of education. In my opinion, some of my longer videos, you could even look at them as a podcast. It's just education, listening to someone. Audiobook can be looked at as a podcast, anything. But the reason I'm talking about podcasts and why I'm listening to a podcast, you guys got to constantly be learning. You can't get comfortable. I don't care how successful you are. I don't care if you're a millionaire. I don't care if you made $100,000 last month, $100,000 yesterday. You constantly have to be learning. You constantly have to be improving. You constantly have to strive to be better. You don't know what you don't know. You can't tell yourself that you know everything because you don't know what you don't know. There's always something to learn. There's always something to be improved. But a lot of the time, you may not know what it is yet until you get an idea from somebody else. What do you think my ideas for vlogs come from? Where do you think my ideas for education that I do for VIP? Where do you think my ideas come from when it comes to trading? Other people. How did I learn it? Podcasts, talking to people, connecting, videos, books, but it's all learning from other people. You have to constantly be educating yourself. You don't know what you don't know. That's one thing I always tell myself. You don't know what you don't know. You may think you know everything, but you don't know what you don't know. All right, right now we're about to get this VIP session started, but I also wanted to show you guys, I did show you when I made the withdrawal earlier. And as you can see this email just got approved for the withdrawal, $519. Let it refresh. As you can see, this is my email and everything. Not a fake email from hankotrade themselves. You can click on their email if you want to go message them too. But we just got that, so it's probably going to take maybe a day or two for the actual withdrawal to go through because it takes business days. But like I said, we got to do this VIP trading network call. I'm not sure the topic I'm gonna do. I might kind of make the topic of today's session how to make your first $10,000 trading, and then kind of give them the step-by-step basis, give them the step-by-step guide to do that, along with give them the setups that I'll recommend using to be able to do that. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of clips, but if you want to be there for the full hour sessions, make sure you join the team where we give value every single day. All right, we about to get it all started up. I kind of got the idea for what I'm gonna go over with them. How to make your first $10,000 trading. They're getting active right now. Here, I'll show you. You need to understand the process and everything, and then the chart concept is its own thing. It's all different phases and different things you got to focus on within the actual skill of trading. But like I said, the main thing I'm gonna go over is essentially how to make your first $10,000 trading. If you made your first $10,000, and how to make 100,000. I don't know. If you haven't made 1,000, how to make your first 1,000. Essentially, the process is going to be the same thing, just changing how much you're risking per trade, how much you're risking per week. That's really it. The only thing that changes now is just the lot size, the contract size. But at the end of the day, this is just the first step of how to make your first $10,000. You got to have a setup that you know is going to happen every week, every month that you have experience in. You need to be demoing. There's no reason for you to try to make live money, try to take a challenge without experience with your specific setups, with your specific systems, with your specific strategy. If you don't have at least 6 months to be able to show your results on your specific setup or strategy, you don't really have the data to be able to prove to yourself that it works, because anything can work for a month, anything can work for a week, anything can work for 3 months. Just like that, we just got done. And now it's time to end this video off. I appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate you guys for showing love on all of the videos. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos. I appreciate you guys for even showing up on my Instagram, just for commenting. I appreciate it. If you want to learn what I do on a day-to-day basis, if you want to learn if you want to learn what I do, how I've been able to teach people like this, what I'm teaching, what makes me my money, what's been able to make me that $500 that I withdrew from hankotrade, free course, free trading webinars, completely free. I think that's free, all for you guys to be able to just study from. And then once you're ready to join the community and actually start trading live, take my trades live, learn from the team live, join the VIP Trading Network. We're active every single day and every single weekend, giving value to the community, giving value to the team, making sure that we're growing every single day. There's no better place to be. I'm gonna just keep letting the results speak for themselves. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.